Hello everybody. Today I'll be doing a small fundamental analysis of this stock Swadeshi Polytex Ltd. It has almost doubled in the last 15 days, but still we'll have a look whether still it is in the buying range or not. And anyway, it's a very good stock to hold for a long term also. But in the short term, whether it is going to or we are going to make money or not, that we'll see by the parameters and the fundamentals. Market cap 1000, I think it's quite safe, not very small. And if I come out the company in 1970, that means it's almost more than 50 years company. It's in a real estate development, and you guys know that now real estate is in a boom, and the boom will continue for some time also. Okay, that is also because of the infrastructure government is spending. So if you see more, engage in business owning, purchasing, selling, leasing, developing real estate, including land, plot, building, factories, warehouses, engineer, commerce, agriculture. So these are good things. And uh, this is the currently is a good sector. Now PE 11 is quite low, and it's also low in comparison to industrial P. ROC is too good. Operating margin is good. Promoter holding is good. FI holding, DI holding, they are small. This is also a good symbol that means some domestic institutional holder DII have purchased a small quantity, and that tells that this stock has been thoroughly checked. So that means the company is not fraud, or the books of accounts are not fraud. So less likely. So this is somewhat checked. So presence of any DI or FI is good in that sense. Number equity is only 3.9 crore, less stock, so it's good for small investors. Current price, book value, ROA is good. Then okay, then you come to 35, high low 35 to that means almost 8 times it has grown in last 1 year, 35 to okay, not 8 times, it will be around 7 times. Okay, there is no dip, sales growth is super, and prior to scale is also good, 6, market cap to sales 9. Okay, fine. Now let us see the curve. If you see that it's going like, and I like this, okay, that is always in the upward direction. It is in the momentum, in the upward trend. There will be small corrections coming, okay. If you can accept those corrections, fine. If you don't accept the corrections, and if you want to sell out in, if you are in green, if you're in positive, in profit, then also you can sell out and go away. If you want to hold it for a long term, you can hold it for a long term, you can make huge money. Let us see. So you see that earlier it was 2 rupee and all these things. Last 10 years, if I see, in 19 it was 1 rupee, so 250 times. In the last 5-6 years it has given 250 times. Now let us come to the pros and cons. The company is debt free. This is a good symbols, because if it's a fraud company. Now guys, I want to say one thing. First thing, we need to check whether it's a fraud company or not, because whenever stocks are cheap, there is a very big chance it's a fraud company. Okay, that's why I'm so many times checking whether it's fraud company or not. Okay, now company is almost debt free, good Fraud companies always have debts. I just sign. All companies with debts are not fraud, but all fraud companies must have debts. Okay. Company expect give quarter, the good profit growth. Stock is trading 16.7. It doesn't matter. The company is reporting repeated profit, not paying dividend, not doesn't matter. It's a small company, growing company, so it will not give. So if you see from 000 now it is shooting up to 55. So very fast, but it's little erratic also. Let us see the sales percentage growth. So minus 50, minus 60, 700, 97, 448. So uh, the huge sales growth in the last 2 quarters, and I hope this quarter, that is June result, they have not declared the date, I think, but it is going to, the results are going to be out within a few days or few weeks, and the result is fantastic because the stock is rallying so fast just before the uh, result season. So that is one of the thing, but it's not mathematics. You see the net profit, see it is growing and now it is all-time high 46. So consistently growing. Profit and loss, if you come to sales here, so okay, it's erratic, but anyway, last 3 years, if I 36, 40, 50, it's growing, okay. But and if I see from 12, 14, so it was much erratic, okay, sorry, erratic. So now I think it has learned a lot and doing good in this real estate business, and it's going upwards. Now let's come to the these figures. Last 10 years, if you see, it's a sales growth of 12%, and 5 years 69%, 40%, 70%. So if you see the fantastic figures, fabulous figures, and if I see the profit growth also, last 10 years it is growing at a 30% CAGR growth of profit. Okay, and it's good, but actually it's fluctuating because real estate business is never constant, so it's little fluctuating, but anyway all the numbers are good enough. And stock price in last 10 years it is growing at a rate of 61% CAGR. Okay, so if I see 10 years, that means 14 it was around 2 rupees. Okay, so 2 rupees, from 2 rupees 250 times 250, more than 250, so it's around 125 times in 10 years. Now, so now let's come to the reserves is positive. Okay, so earlier it was negative and now it is positive, so that's good thing. Borrowings also zero. This is a fantastic. Whatever the borrowings were there, they have cleared up the debts, and now the borrowing is a fantastic thing. And now cash from operating activities 32. This is also a good thing. That means when the company makes business, it makes cash. That means if you have to double the business, this will also be double. If it is negative, that means you need cash to increase the business. It's here, it's not like that. Data days is zero. That's so fantastic. And promoter shareholding, let us see, 63 in 21, and then it is going to 68, 68, 68. So they have increased over the year, 63, 63, 66. June 23 they have purchase and increase, so that means the promoter is genuine in managing the company, interested in managing, because he is increasing his stakes. Okay, and uh, okay, it's a good sign, very good sign. Then there is DIA is there, some government is there. So some government is there, that means the government has also checked the fundamentals, and public holding is less, and that's also a good thing, so it doesn't fall easily. Here also, if you see that the stock does not fall much. Okay, let's just see last 3 years. See, minor falls. No, here it has remained in. Yeah, I'll say this is the fall part because if someone has bought here, it is increasing actually. Here there is a fall, but the corrections are much less. So easy to hold. And okay, I think this stock, although I have my money is almost doubled and I have my storage, I have on holding stock, but I think we can still buy in this price and it is going to go up. Okay, give lot of money. There are two of things you can do. I buy it and then hold it till you get 50% or more, and then you can sell out, or you can hold it till it goes upwards. But if it goes downwards, you have two choices. One thing is you get out at 10%, so your loss will be 10%. Upside is unlimited. Unlimited means 50, 60, anything it can happen because my money has doubled in the last 15 days. And otherwise, you can hold it, let it correct for 10%, 20%, 30%, because in the long run, next 2 years, 3 years, if you're holding, you can make huge money. Okay, that is my opinion. And so that's all it, guys. And if you have any queries, you can put in the comment sections. And if you like it, and if you feel that it gives some idea about a real estate stock, you learn something, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.